Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today we are going to read a new chapter from our Marigold book of class 5. The chapter name is Robinson Crusoe Discovers a Footprint. So let's start reading. Robinson Crusoe's ship had been destroyed by the sea.
Robinson Crusoe's ship had been destroyed by the sea.
He had been alone for many years.
He had been alone for many years
And longed for company.
and longed for company.
One day he discovers a footprint on the sand.
One day he discovers a footprint on the sand.
Let's find out what he did then.
Let's find out what he did then.
One day,
One day,
when I was going towards my boat,
when I was going towards my boat,
I was surprised to see
I was surprised to see
the footprint of a man on the sand.
the footprint of a man on the sand.
I stood amazed.
I stood amazed.
I listened.
I listened.
I looked around me.
I looked around me.
I could neither hear nor see anything.
I could neither hear nor see anything.
I went up higher to look down.
I went up higher to look down.
I went up the shore and down the shore.
I went up the shore and down the shore.
But it was no good.
But it was no good.
I could find no other footprint
I could find no other footprint
but that one.
but that one.
I went to it again
I went to it again
to see if there were any more footprints
to see if there were any more footprints
and to tell if it had been my imagination.
and to tell if it had been my imagination.
But I was not mistaken,
But I was not mistaken,
for there was exactly the print of a foot,
for there was exactly the print of a foot,
toes,
toes,
heel,
heels,
every part of a foot.
every part of a foot.
I could not imagine
I could not imagine
how it came there.
how it came there.
I stayed a long time thinking,
I stayed a long time thinking,
but became more and more confused.
but became more and more confused.
At last I returned home very frightened.
At last I returned home very frightened.
Looking behind me,
Looking behind me,
after every 2 or 3 steps,
after every 2 or 3 steps,
mistaking every bush and tree to be a man.
mistaking every bush and tree to be a man.
When I came to my cave,
When I came to my cave,
which I called my castle,
which I called my castle,
I ran inside it,
I ran inside it,
as if I was being chased.
as if I was being chased.
I do not remember
I do not remember
whether I used the ladder
whether I used the ladder
or went in by the hole in the rock,
or went in by the hole in the rock,
which I called the door.
which I called the door.
I ran for cover,
I ran for cover,
faster than any animal could run.
faster than any animal could run.
I did not sleep that night.
I did not sleep that night.
The more I thought about what I had seen,
The more I thought about what I had seen,
the more afraid I became.
the more afraid I became.
I thought it could be one of the savages of the mainland
I thought it would be one of the
who had wandered out to the sea
who had wandered out to the sea
in a small boat.
in a small boat.
Luckily, I was not on shore at that time.
Luckily, I was not on shore at the time.
But what if he had seen my boat?
But what if he had seen my boat?
If he had seen the boat,
If he had seen the boat,
he would have realized that
he would have realized that
someone lived on the island
someone lived on the island
and would would soon return with others to kill and eat me. And so I lay fearful for many days. And prayed for protection. In doing so, I was much comforted. And began going out to investigate. But even now, as I went forward, I looked behind me frequently. Because I was still very frightened. However, as I went about for 2 or 3 days, and saw nothing, I became a little bolder. I decided to go down to the shore again. And examine the footprint once more. I decided to measure it with my own footmark. As I came closer to the footprint, I realized that it could be not my footprint. Because I had not come to this part of the beach since a long time. Secondly, as I placed my foot alongside that footprint, it seemed larger than my own. My fear returned. I went home again. Believing that there was someone there. The island was inhabited. Adapted from Daniel Defoe's Robinson Crusoe. New words. Savages. Wild people in primitive state. Mainland. Large continuous extent of land. Wandered. Go from place to place. Without a definite route. Bolder. More confident. Inhabited. Occupied. Dwelled in. Let's read. 1. What made Robinson Crusoe think that the print on the ground was a footprint? 2. Why was Robinson afraid when he looked at the bushes and trees? 3. Why did Robinson pray when he saw the footprint? 4. Choose the correct answer. 1. Robinson ran back to his home as fast he could because he A. Was racing. B. Was afraid. C. Was in a hurry to go home. 2. He could not sleep because A. There was an animal outside his cave. B. He thought savages had come from the mainland. C. His bed was uncomfortable. 3. Why was Robinson Crusoe sure that
Why was Robinson Crusoe so bad?
It was not his footprint.
It was not his footprint.
A.
A.
It didn't look like a human footprint.
It did not look like a human footprint.
B.
B.
It looked smaller than his.
It looked smaller than his.
C.
C.
He had not come to this part of the beach in a long time.
He had not come to this part of the beach in a long time.
4.
4.
Where was Robinson Crusoe?
Where was Robinson Crusoe?
A.
A.
On a boat.
On a boat.
B.
B.
In a town.
In a town.
C.
C.
Alone on an island.
Alone on an island.
D.
D.
On an aeroplane.
On an airplane.
Let's talk.
Let's talk.
How would you feel if you saw unknown footprints
How would you feel if you saw a non-footprint
outside your front door?
outside your front door?
If you were alone at home
If you were alone at home
and suddenly someone knocked at your door,
and suddenly someone knocked at your door,
what would you do?
what would you do?
Let's write.
Let's write.
1.
1.
The words in the sentences are jumbled.
The words in the sentence are jumbled.
Write them in order.
Write them in order.
1 is done for you.
1 is done for you.
1.
1.
Alone.
Alone.
Was. Not.
Not.
Robinson.
Robinson.
And. Island.
Island.
On.
On.
Answer.
Answer.
Robinson was not alone on an island.
Robinson was not alone on an island.
2.
2.
Was.
Was.
Island.
Island.
The.
The.
Inhabited.
Inhabited.
Blank.
Blank.
3.
3.
Footprint.
Footprint.
2.
2.
Someone.
Someone.
This.
This.
Belonged.
Belong.
Blank.
Blank.
4.
4.
I. Around.
Around.
Me.
Me.
Looked.
Look.
Blank.
Blank.
5.
5.
I. Went.
Went.
The. Towards.
Towards.
Footprint.
Footprint.
Large.
Large.
Blank.
Blank.
6.
6.
Was.
Was.
Afraid.
Afraid.
I. Now.
Now.
Blank.
Blank.
2.
2.
Fill in the blanks with the correct word.
Fill in the blanks with the correct word.
And.
And.
But. Because.
Because.
So.
So.
1.
1.
I was frightened.
I was frightened.
Blank.
Blank.
Curious.
Curious.
2.
2.
I decided to go to the beach.
I decided to go to the beach.
Blank.
Blank.
I went along the water's edge.
I went along the water's edge.
3.
3.
I ran as fast as I could.
I ran as fast as I could.
Blank.
Blank.
I was frightened.
I was frightened.
4.
4.
I was very tired.
I was very tired.
Blank.
Blank.
Confused.
Confused.
3.
3.
Write a story on strange footprints.
Write a story on the strange footprint.
Where did you see the footprints?
Where did you see the footprint?
What sort of a day was it?
What sort of a day was it?
Did you see them at night?
Did you see them at night?
What happened when you followed the footprints?
What happened when you followed the footprint?
What did you see?
What did you see?
What happened then?
What happened then?
4.
4.
Use the joining words given below
Use the joining words given below
and join the sentences in column A and B.
and join the sentences in column A and B.
Or, and, so, but, because. Column A.
Column A.
1. I can sing well.
I can sing well.
2. She wore a raincoat.
She wore a raincoat.
3.
3.
We may go to Simla.
We may go to Simla.
4.
4.
He wanted a book for his birthday.
He wanted a book for his birthday.
5.
5.
He missed the school bus.
He missed the school bus.
6.
6.
I wrote the letter.
I wrote a letter.
B.
B.
I forgot to post it.
I forgot to post it.
It was raining. He was late to school. We may go to Darjeeling. He wanted a football for his birthday. I can't dance at all. Example. I wrote the letter. But I forgot to post it. Blank. Fun time. 1. Look at the footprints on here. Hint. This is the footprint of the first man on the moon. His name was blank. 2. Let's create a pyramid. Use the following clues. 1. A 2-letter word beginning with B. 2. A 3-letter word beginning with C. 3. A 4-letter word beginning with D. 4. A 5-letter word beginning with E. 5. A 6-letter word beginning with F. Let's work in pairs. Have a conversation with your partner. Based on the picture below. You can start as Hunter 1. Look at the footprints in the mud. Hunter 2. Blank.